Something simple, just warm up. Some chest flies. So, let me put it like, I like coming up like this. And really, we're gonna try to squeeze this part of your chest. Upper side pec. 15 minutes. Something on my shirt. So yeah, man, so what got you started? What got you started with fitness?
Oh man, various things, man. Just getting to an age to where it's vital that you do something to try to keep yourself right. You know what I'm saying? Seeing the generations go by to where the people younger and younger start to become unaware of their health and become sicker and sicker, you know. And then, you know, also seen various, just to keep it short, various family members and people who I know become very ill and were unable to, you know, do various things at, you know, a certain age. You know. How about you?
I mean, I feel you with the family, you know. So much I learned in the last 10 years about cancer, kidneys, lungs, just so much, right? I started to search for solutions, you know, trying to prevent things from happening before they happen.
Yeah.
You know, like that type of mindset. And I guess the first thing was, you know, I stopped eating pork. I changed my eating habits. And then after that, I was looking for the next change. I was looking for growth. And fitness just came to me, man. Shout out to my brother, Muslim Muscle. But it just came to me. And honestly, I think my growth has been more mental than physical. You know, so it's been a great thing. It's been a great thing.
Yeah. I feel that.
Yeah, I was looking for the next chapter, man.
Yeah.
Just looking for the next chapter. Just wanted to be better.